can I get this big lump on the dreadlock out? Is this even possible? So in this video, I am going to show you how I am actually doing some kind of dreadlock surgery. When you have a big lump like this, it's all about finding where the lump is holding together. Usually it's small, tiny hairs, and those hairs are being cut, like I'm doing here. And when you cut that off, you will pull, like I'm doing here. But it's all about finding the little hairs, doing small cuts, pulling. So you see, I'm going to cut again because I see some tiny hairs holding it on there. So I'm making a cut and then twisting and pulling. And continuing to do this throughout this whole lump. So making these tiny cuts, looking at where is it, what kind of hair is it that is holding this lump together. Because usually it's the flyaway hairs that creates these lumps, and with the hair shrinking as well. So you see there, I'm making a tiny incision and then pulling it apart, making another one here, and this is really like advanced dreadlock surgery, and it's something that you should be gentle with, doing only when you feel secure to do it only when it feels okay and right to do it. And you see, I don't cut a lot, and I have really sharp scissors to use. You could either use really sharp scissors, or you can also use something to use when you are ripping up seams. I don't forget the name in English right now. Maybe a thread cutter. But something that has a really sharp teeth to whatever it is that you're using. So now you will see that I'm making these tiny cuts and then pulling. Because it's also when you're pulling a little bit, you actually see, okay, this is the part where it's holding on. Here, I need to cut a little bit more, and then a little bit more, and then a little bit more. And whenever I do these kind of surgeries on my clients' dreadlocks, afterwards I will go over with a little bit of hair extension hair to help build up the structure of the dreadlock. Just so, because when you are doing all of these tiny cuts, the dreadlock becomes a little bit fragile. And it's important that we structure it back up so it actually will not break or end up being like this again. So here you see that I actually got that huge lump out. And if you want to see, I can make a video how I actually build it up again.